Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. In this video, I'm going to share 10 beauty tips
Slay! Slay!
that Japanese women actually use to have a beautiful, flawless face. And today, I'm revealing
all the secrets.
so make sure to stay until the end, because these are not the typical tips like putting 2 spoons on your eyes to reduce puffiness, or fixing your posture. No.
Oh my god! What is that?
These tips are on another level.
Slay!
So, my beautiful girl, grab a seat, get comfortable, because we're about to get into some Japanese beauty tea. So, let's begin with this video. My beautiful girl, I'm so excited. Let's do it. Japanese women love double cleansing at night. First, they use an oil cleanser to remove makeup and sunscreen. Then, they use a gentle foam cleanser to clean the skin. This helps keep pores clean without drying your skin. Your face feels soft, smooth, and fresh. Actually, this one is one of the most important Japanese beauty habits. So remember, clean skin equal better glow overnight. Rice water is one of the oldest Japanese beauty secrets. It helps brighten your skin naturally. It also smooths texture and adds softness. Just applying gently using cotton pads. Leave it for about 10 minutes. Your skin looks fresh, smooth, and glowy. It's gentle and perfect for sensitive skin. Green tea is very popular in Japanese beauty routines. It's full of antioxidants and calming benefits. It helps reduce redness and irritation. You can use cold green tea as a toner. It also helps with dull skin. Your skin looks calm and refreshed. Perfect for a natural glow. Many Japanese women do gentle facial massage. This helps reduce puffiness and improve circulation. It also gives that natural lifting effect. They usually use facial oil or moisturizer. It only takes 1 or 2 minutes. Your face looks more sculpted and relaxed. Perfect before bedtime. Japanese beauty focuses a lot on caring for the under eye area because it's one of the first places to show tiredness. Using an eye serum made specifically for this area helps hydrate, smooth, and brighten your under eyes. The roller also helps reduce puffiness and improve circulation. Just gently glide it under your eyes before bed. It feels cooling, relaxing, and super refreshing. I use this eye serum roller with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, and it's honestly a game changer. Niacinamide helps brighten dark circles and smooth the skin. Hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates and makes your under eyes look plump and fresh. Vitamin C helps brighten, even skin tone, and give that natural glow. It's gentle, effective, and perfect for waking up with brighter, more refreshed under eyes. Cold water helps reduce puffiness and refresh your skin. It also improves circulation. This makes your face look more awake. Just splash your face for a few seconds. It's simple but very effective. Your skin feels tighter and fresh. Perfect for morning or night. Japanese women love hydrating toners, called lotions. They apply several thin layers for deep hydration. Sometimes they soak cotton pads and leave them on the face. This helps the skin look plump and glowy. It's really great for dry or tired skin. Your face feels instantly refreshed. This is honestly a classic Japanese skincare trick. We're filming or we're not filming. Aloe vera is a natural beauty favorite. Actually, my favorite. It helps calm irritated skin. It also hydrates and softens. Apply a thin layer before bed. It absorbs quickly into the skin. Your face looks fresh and healthy. Perfect for sensitive skin. Japanese beauty focuses on small details. Apply lip balm or honey before sleeping. This helps repair dry lips overnight. Your lips look softer in the morning. It also adds a natural pink glow. Honestly, very simple but very effective. Perfect for natural beauty. Sleep is one of the biggest beauty secrets. Japanese beauty focuses on healthy routines. Your skin repairs while you sleep. Try to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. This reduces dull skin and puffiness. Your face looks more refreshed. Natural overnight glow. And that's it, my girls. I hope you liked this video so much, and let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite one. Okay, let me know in the comments. Don't be shy, I love to read your comments. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, my girls.